Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installed or installation failed on the application of Amazon Shopping. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will enter to Amazon Shopping and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Amazon Shopping. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.